Now we have successfully arrived at the international airport in Tokyo.
So now on the way to the factory. See you later.
Konnichiwa, I'm Davis. Today I'm in Japan. This is my partner, Mr. Wang. Yes.
요거서 치바켄 노바라시 시로마치.
I hope our installation will be good this time and very pleasant. Let's start installing the equipment today and debug. Let's follow me to the scene with the camera. Let's go. Come on, we have just finished. We have just cut a very beautiful coffee table. It's made of a 6mm thick slate. To make a coffee table, it's very beautiful. Do you have friends who like it? Remember to contact me. I'll cut a tea set for you as a gift. This factory here, mainly for cutting of slate and mainly for whole house customization. Our client has bought, he purchased a 4020 and a 5-axis water jet cutting machine. This bed is 4 meters by 2 meters. This is a CNC control cabinet of ours.
Just now, we cut a pig on the spot. There is a pig in the Chinese zodiac, a little pig. I'll show you the actual effect, the actual production effect. So this Nanhai is the maximum pressure, can withstand 420 megapascals, a high pressure. So it has strong power. There is a cooling system installed behind its stamping, and another one cooling. Okay, good. Our camera is here. Follow me to this side. On the scene is also equipped with this edge grinder. It's mainly used for polishing the edge. This edge grinding machine. You can see that. You can see here, there is the edge. On site, finished edge polishing effect on the spot. It mainly polishes the edges. This is our water jet cutting machine. Yesterday, I cut a dragon and a pig, and our customer's company name, Foshan. In Japan, if you want to this new ship in the Tokyo area, you want to see this new ship, can come and see our Shanshan factory for a visit. Our partner, Auntie Wang Guangshan, will introduce it to you. Okay. This video is over here. If you are interested, welcome to private message me.
I'm Davis. I'm waiting for you in Foshan, Guangdong, China. Bye bye.
Bye bye. さようなら。